this way. In our place.
Just getting out on a little day hike today. We're on part of the Mountain to Sea Trail here in town. It's still, a lot of it's still under construction, but this is a little section of the trail that we've never been on.
Show Dada your walking stick.
You got your walking stick, baby?
She leaned down to actually use it. I can go that way for that way. Let's think of go this way. I'm gonna go this way.
This is a nice little trail, isn't it, buddy?
Yeah, it is.
You about ready to pull over and eat some lunch?
Yeah. My belly is awesome.
Bryce, look at this log right here. It's got all this moss on it.
Yeah. Cool.
Is it cool?
Yeah, cool.
There's moss all the way down it, buddy. Hey, buddy. I love a pine forest. This is a section of pine right here. This looks like a good spot to stop for lunch. Got this log to sit on. Got the cello stove with me. It's not that cold, is it? Are you that cold? Where are you hiding? Hey, Bryce. Bryce. Cow. Well, thank you guys for walking on the trail with us. See you on the next one.